I'm Madison, and today I want to tell you about my 4-H service project. I make these cool ties for troops to wear around their neck, and they have water absorbent beads in them that once they're wet, they stay cool for several hours, and they're good to wear in hot climates. I mail these to a program called Operation Gratitude, which puts them in care packages and then sends them to troops overseas. They have to be made out of 100% cotton and must be neutral colors like green, brown, tan, or camo. So I'd like to show you how to make those today. Let's get started. For the first step, I went ahead and cut a strip of fabric that was 7 inches by the width of my fabric. And now that I have that done, I'm going to fold the strip in half lengthwise with the fold towards me. And then we're going to cut at a 45-degree angle towards the fold. And then go ahead and do that to the other side. Now you're going to locate your lengthwise center of your folded strip and measure 1.5 inches to each side, giving you about a 3-inch opening. And then we're going to sew a 5/8 inch seam from your point all the way to your pin, and then you're going to cut it and do the same for the other side. Now that we're done sewing that, you're going to trim the seam allowance on your pointed edge. And then make sure to do that to your other side. Once you're done with that, you're going to turn your cool tie through the opening that you left. And you may have to use a turner on your point once you get it mostly turned out. Now that we have turned our cool tie, we're going to press it so it's nice and flat. We're going to measure 10 inches from our point towards our center and mark it. And then do that to our other side. We're going to sew down the lines that we just created, and this creates our pocket for our granules. Now that I've sewn my 2 lines that I marked, I'm going to find my opening that we left earlier and insert about 2 teaspoons of our water absorbent granules. And I know this doesn't seem like a lot, but they do expand once they absorb the water. Then I like to shake it down to one of the sides, and then I'll sew my opening shut. And you can buy the granules on Amazon by the pound, and a pound makes about 55 cool ties. And there you have a finished cool tie. If you would like to help me with my service project, the pattern is in the comments, and you just have to do steps 1 through 5, and then you can mail it to me, and I'll add in the granules to save on postage. Thank you for supporting the troops, and if you'd like more information about my service project, then please contact the Garfield County Extension Office. Thank you.